My name is Payal and I'm a patient partner. I was a patient partner for a study at Sick Kids called Exploring the Motivational Drivers of Young Adults with Type 1 Diabetes or Participation in Kidney Research. So as a patient partner, I essentially work with the research team to make sure that whatever study they're designing, whatever they're looking into is relevant for diabetics as a patient and as someone with Type 1 diabetes myself. So initially I started with the team in a storytelling workshop where we got together and talked about our experiences with diabetes and talk about the impact it has had on our lives. I became a patient partner honestly because I was at the right place at the right time. I was participating in a study as a young adult. So the study had started when I was at Sick Kids, but they followed me while I was well into my university years, and I told the project manager at that time that I was really interested in working at Sick Kids and being a part of the diabetes research team, and if there are any opportunities. Clinical research is the best way that we can improve our knowledge, advance patient care, and improve the technology. Even today, we're learning so much about type 1 diabetes, and that is because of research. I think the most important thing that people should know is that studies have gone through a rigorous screening process before it gets to the phase where they start actually recruiting people. So if someone is coming up to you, know that, someone is looking out for the participants, especially if they're children, and a good research study, they won't pressure you to join. So a lot of the times they come up to you, they explain the research, and then it's up to you whether you want to participate or not. So you don't have to answer right away. Take your time, sleep on it, do your research if you'd like, because obviously it's your kid, it's you. And know that if you're uncomfortable at any stage of the trial, you can always withdraw. There's no pressure to stay in it or continue staying in it. So participating in research as a patient and a patient partner, I got a better understanding of how much work goes behind the scenes of conducting studies, gathering the knowledge, and translating the knowledge into clinical practice. So I do think that participating in clinical research has given me a lot more appreciation and respect for all the researchers and clinicians out there that are working really hard to make advancements. So I would highly recommend all diabetics to participate in research if they have the time and resources and help pay it forward to the future diabetics and help improve the technology.